Okay, how to make your first YouTube video and how to set up your YouTube account. Hi there, my name's Andrew from andrewplimmer.com. I hope you're having a fantastic day. I'm coming to you from the beautiful Sunshine Coast here in Australia. So yeah, how to make your first YouTube video and how to set up your YouTube account. I'm going to sound like a little bit of a smart ass here, and it's not. I'm not intending it to be that way. But how to shoot your first video? That's easy. Just get the camera out, stick it on a little tripod, make sure that the sound's okay, and it can be just your phone, and start talking away and start practicing. Don't worry about the structure of the video to begin with. Like I said in my last video, we were talking about take action over perfection. Always take action, and that's the only way you're going to be able to perfect anything. To get started, practice makes perfect. And I think one thing you should know is know where you're heading. I think that's probably quite important. So, but to begin with, don't even worry about that. If you just get the videos done, get them up there. Nobody's going to watch necessarily to begin with because nobody's following your channel yet. With regards to setting up your channel, I'm not going to reinvent the wheel here, but go and search YouTube. Do your research. Spend a half a day learning how to set up your channel and how to create a YouTube account. Go through the process. If you can't do your graphics and don't know how to do that, like your YouTube channel art and that sort of thing, go to Fiverr.com. For $5, $10, get somebody to do that. Keep it simple. It doesn't have to be fancy. It's more about the content to begin with and you getting used to the camera and uploading videos. But, people seem to forget that Google and YouTube especially on how to do stuff is just friggin' awesome. I remember I go to YouTube as my first point of call to learn how to do anything, and it's almost always there. I don't have to do too much searching on how to, on finding the right content to watch to do what I need to do. But of course, then it comes down to actually implementing it. So there's no point in watching all these YouTube channels on how to create a YouTube account and how to set up a YouTube account without actually taking action and setting up the account. And then of course, it's about loading the videos, creating videos and loading them up there. There's so much involved with YouTube, but it shouldn't put you off. You just need to start at the start. Practice makes perfect. Do your research, but most importantly, implement what you learn, and you'll look back in 2, 3, 4 months, and you'll see lots of content up there. I read a book a while now called The One Thing, and I recommend. I can't remember who the author is just off the hand, but it's called The One Thing. You can buy it on Amazon or on Audible, and it's a very, very good book in that it's all about doing the one thing consistently. So if we relate it to exercise, for example, it's not about going for bursts here and there. It's not about for a week going out every day for a run and sort of almost killing yourself and then which causes you to stop because you burnt yourself out. It's about being consistent. So let's say you did an hour's run every day for a week and exhausted yourself there, so you spent 7 hours. But if you spent half an hour every day for 365 days jogging or walking, the results are going to be much more significant than sort of racing out there and having short bursts and burning yourself out and consequently not continuing on with what you planned to do in the first place. So it's the same with videos. Just don't stress yourself out. Don't strive for perfection. Just get them up there. Talk to the world. Talk to yourself initially, and once again, if you're not sure what to talk about, go to YouTube and just type in what content, how to find content for my YouTube videos or something like that. You'll always find something. So I hope you're having a fantastic day. I hope you got some good value out of this video. If you did, please like, share, and comment. As always, if you want to learn how to become a gun affiliate marketer, there's a link below, andrewplimmer.com. Go and check it out. It's the best value affiliate marketing course I've ever had or done or been through, and it's just so good for beginners. It's about mindset. It's about all the technical aspects, or even there's some fantastic videos in there about how to set up your YouTube channel. So once again, hope you're having a good day. Talk to you in the next video. Bye now.